Hey guys, wow. I have experienced this for the second year in a row. I don't know what holiday this is, but the whole country of Malaysia is popping fireworks. It started at midnight, and right now it's about 15 after midnight here in Malaysia. Holy crap. The air is so thick with smoke, and it's just hard to breathe. I was in the bed watching YouTube, and all of a sudden, it sounded like a war zone. I don't know if y'all can still hear it or not, but yeah, guys, this is crazy. So, hope you enjoy the 3 or 4 minute video that I've got for you. Sorry about the quality of the video, but I hope y'all enjoy. And I hope you put a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Wow. Guys, this is all over the country of Malaysia going on right now. I don't know if this is Chinese New Year or what this is, but this is crazy. Holy crap. Another view of it. Can't hardly see it. That's how much smoke is in the air. It's like a freaking war zone out here. Wow. right, guys. It's finally calming down a little bit. So, hopefully I can get some sleep now. But it was fantastic, guys. This video really doesn't do the justice of the visual of it. I didn't catch all of everything because I was going to go up to the roof and they had it locked. So I had to do the best I could. I hope y'all enjoyed watching the video. So please don't forget to put a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. It goes a long way for helping me make more videos with better content. So, all right, guys, until the next video, I love y'all. Y'all be good.